So, look at this bird. I'm at my father's place, and he's keeping these two birds. This one and another one, which is, you can see it. They were living in this cage. Some stuff to play with, and I don't like to cage animals or humans at all. And I believe that all animals, including humans, love their freedom. And I don't know, if I was responsible for their life, I probably would free them, even if they couldn't survive 1 or 2 days. At least they would experience more freedom. Not absolute freedom, there is no such a thing, but more freedom. But I am not in their mind, and I'm not responsible for them. I don't believe in the property status of animals, but that's how our world works, and if I free them, my father will be extremely mad at me. I mean, it's possible that he never talks to me again, and he never pay me money, because my monetary situation is at his hand. I am dependent on him, good or bad. I don't feel bad about it. I don't feel awesome about it, but I don't feel bad about it as well. And he will cut me off, I guess. That's my thinking. Yeah. They are not talking to me enthusiastically, like many other people, they don't like to talk too much. And especially with someone like me who challenges many pre-assumptions. That's the situation. But enough about me and my father and humans. Let's focus on these beautiful creatures. I don't know. What are they thinking about? I guess they certainly like to experience freedom, that's for sure. But these are all my guesses. One thing that I love about these creatures, these birds, animals, whatever we call them, is that they don't get handy easily. They are wild, even in cages and in houses. And I don't talk to them that really when I come here, Maybe once in a while I say a hello or something like that. I don't want them to be independent. I don't want them to be dependent. Sorry. I know I can go and search how to make them handy and stuff like that, and I hate that. Why should we handy animals? They are so beautiful by themselves. The relationship, the love between human and animals are adorable, admirable at times, but the thing is that it's usually we who are the ones that have the upper hands. And I really like the things that I heard from the some friend of mine, some people, some vegan activists in Iran, I don't want to name them for some reasons, who taught me to leave animals alone as much as I can. They believe that we don't deserve their love. I'm not that negative about humans. I'm a human myself, but yeah, we better leave them alone. We know much less than what we assume. And yeah, let's forget about their, I don't know, imprisonment here, or their confinement here, or their living here, or whatever. And see it as it is, it is their life. It is their lives. And they are playing. What I see, if I want to stop being philosophical and negative and pessimistic and stuff like that, what I see is that they are playing. They usually get up very, very early and start to make a lot of voices, singing sometimes, and flying there and coming back, going and coming back. Traveling between the little distances that they can find, and it wakes us up. They do it until the noon, I guess. Then they become a little quiet. The morning is the most active part of the day. And around the afternoon, they become pretty quiet. They go to a contemplative state, and they go to bed, they go to sleep pretty soon, at the early night, as soon as the sun goes down. Yeah, that's their life. You know, my father gives them some fresh fruits as well. Sometimes I need to do that, I guess. Whenever I remember, I can do that. Give them a little part of my fruits or vegetable. Yeah, they are vegan like us. Yeah. And I have nothing much to add. So that was my video. Bye for now.